Another day, another?
Yeah.
Ay. Good morning. This is day 2 of being in Wales. Pero, umuulan. So, itinerary is messed up. Kaya, ang plano, ang lakas pa ng hangin, oh. Ang plano, maglalakad-lakad lang muna around the area. And let's see what we find. What I think we'll need payong. Kasi isang payong na kinuha ko. The boys are there. Sebi, are you ready? Wow! Ready?
Socks unset mo.
Go. Come on. Put your socks on. Are you going to put your boots? How old are you?
8.
Say hi. Good morning. Hello. Hindi ko pala napakita ng maayos ito kahapon. Pero meron siyang ladder dyan. Tapos ilalagay mo lang dito. Tapos sa loob is para siyang may anong tawag doon? May couch doon. And this is the lower part, which is a 2-bedroom. And then that will be the kitchen. Let's
Go.
go! Very good.
Go.
Oh, wow. Sebastian has his boots off. Okay. I'll get this one.
Susi andyan?
Uh-uh.
Dala mo yung susi?
Oo. It's a rainy day.
Yeah.
Put your legs up. Foot up, foot up, foot up.
Ah.
This is what they call wheels on wrench.
Sam?
Yung okay mo, electric car, naka-plug lang. Oh.
Walang waterproof.
Hindi ko alam. Yung alin? Naka-waterproof yun. Pababa ba tayo?
Sabi, you okay?
Mga hawak ko.
Yeah.
Ha? Ako hawak.
Kailan na ba naman?
Alam saan tayo pupunta eh.
Walk,
Sabi, you okay?
walk,
And then you have to hold this hand.
walk, walk, walk.
Diretso doon.
D.
Bili nga ang kapote. Ayaw mo magpayong.
Saka yun sa kanya.
Ha? Parang ganyan. Diretso na ba eh? Nakakapote naman siya eh, kaya okay lang.
Saglit nga lang.
What the fuck?
Please. We should. Saglit lang. We're going to buy some kapote. This is a bad idea. Masyadong malakas yung hangin. So, wala. Basang-basa kami. Yung payong. Yung payong. Hindi effective. So, balik muna kami. Tapos, bibili ng mga kapote. Eh, bata. Wala din. Ay, nako. Oh, basang sisiw. Sebastian, how are you? Ay. Wrong move. Sabi kasi dun sa ano, weather forecast, 28 lang yung maulan.
I'm here.
You want to play with the rain? You go upstairs. Change of plan. Kasi si Sebastian gustong maglaro sa
Labas.
labas.
Saan yung mic?
Dito na lang. Dito.
Saan ko ito?
You want to go outside na? You want to go outside? Wait, let's prepare everything first. Then you can go outside. Yes. I know.
Put this in. Okay. Outside, go.
Go outside.
Nakapaa lang siya.
Ah! Cold? I told you it's cold there.
No more?
Wow!
Let's go, let's go. Oh, okay. Wata. Saan yung ano? Ano? Mabalik.
Where's everything?
Sabi. Seb, come here. Sabi.
Ice?
Big, lamig. Oh!
Oh! Ah!
It's everybody.
What do you want?
Socks off.
You don't want? Okay, you go and play. Okay.
Mama also.
Mga batang ayaw pang pumasok.
Dada cold.
A, B, A, B, C. Nag-split na yung bata. Ding. You don't want any more? What do you want? You still want to play? It's cold eh.
Really? 7 minutes too much na ha? What are you doing? You gonna sleep there?
I'm gonna take a bath with Dada. Okay, come na, anak. Enough na? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, wait a minute. Let's remove this one first. Okay? Remove everything first. Okay.